We're going to show you what we done in our intermediate cha-cha class. We started in closed position and we done side basic and then had a man's foot syncopation. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. We break apart. 2, 3, change hands. Guys, you're going to step back. 4, 1, 2, 3, so that we syncopate to the lady's footwork. 4, 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do side together side, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. As we come forward on 3, we lead the lady an inside turn, leading with the left. 3, 4 and 1. Now we lead with the right. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. We lead the lady out with the right hand. Guys, you're going to do 4, 1, 2, 3, syncopating back to your footwork. 4, 1, 2, 3. From here, we've done sliding doors. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Give the lady an inside turn. 4 and 1. Continue around 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. From here, we lead the lady an inside turn. 4 and 1. We catch in closed position. We go to the side. Gentlemen, stepping to your right. 2, replace 3. We're doing 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Ladies, as you come out of this, you're gonna 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. You're gonna be breaking back on your left foot. 2, 3. It's going to feel a little bit strange, but that's exactly what we need you to do. That's what we're leading, and that's the foot that's free. Go ahead and do your 2, and then a side basic 4 and 1, 2, 3. Once again,
our first step, which was a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, small, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6. 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, and that was the end of that first step. Second step, oh, and I got a pointer real quick about this lead on the second part when the man does the underarm turn. You're taking her from here, 2, 3, just like a right side pass and West Coast swing. 4 and 1, 2, 3. You want to keep the hands down, guys, on the chassé. 4, 1, 2, 3. And notice the lady does a back rock during the time he does the underarm turn. And that was it for that. Next step, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, and. Again, my name is A.T. Kinson. This
basic, starting to the side with a prep step on the count of 1, breaking on the 2, 3, cha-cha was on 4 and 1, rock 2, 3. From there we worked on a series of breaks, starting with your crossover break first, leading the lady across the line, and 2, make sure palms are down, arms extended, 3, 4, and 1. We did an inside turn here, so I'm going to go ahead and do a forward crossover. Ladies start as if to do a forward crossover, pivot in place, and spin her on the 4 and 1. Do your back break 2. Make sure your weight is back on that back foot. A lot of times you have a tendency just to rock on the ball of the foot. Make sure you fully transfer 2. Replace 3. We're both going to spin. As we spin, we want to do a series of chaîné turns. 2, 3, side, close, side, back 2. Replace 3. The ladies will turn. Now she'll do another chaîné turn. Gentlemen, 4 and 1. Parallel break outside. 2. You can tilt this for a little more styling if you want, or you can keep your shoulders level. Ladies can do a little kick here if she wants. And 2, 3. We're going to bring the hands up. 4 and 1. Bring them down sharply. 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3. On the last one, gentlemen, turn with your right hand inside turn. 4 and 1, back break 2. Again, make sure your weight is settled on your back foot. 3, side together side. Meet your partner's hands, side together side. Last part of the combination was cross kick 2, side 3, and cross and step in place. Cross 2, 3, side together, side, and 2. Bring it back into your basic 3, 4, and 1. Some of the important points of the combination on the rainbow turns. Ladies, bring your hands up. Meet the fingers together. Guys, catch the outside and pull down. And hands up, meet, down. Do not try and turn and do the handwork all through this. You'll be late. Every time you try to do that, you're going to be like 2 or 3 counts late on the outside. So make sure the ladies, you're just turning, hands are up, cha, 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 and down. And cha, cha, cha. The other important thing we worked on was doing a chaîné turn on the cha-cha spins. 2, 3, side 4, closing the feet together on the and, continue to turn, 1, break back, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Should settle back, get that nice 4th, 3rd, or 5th position there. That was our cha-cha class. I want to thank you all very much.
First class we did was a cha-cha class, and we started off with just a crossover rock. You can get to that position any way that you want. And so we did a rock, step, and when we come out of here, we spun the lady for cha-cha-cha, picked her up for the swivel, 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 and then we let her do a spin here for an and, 4, and 1, and now we take her for 6 beats of 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and then we kind of did a little hiccup here, and 4, and 1, and then we give a rock step for 2, 3, 4, and 1, and then we made her do a rock back here, so we have a wall there, her rock's going to be real small, 4, 2, 3, to come out of it and we're back into a basic. What that looks like to speed, we'll do it from the other angle, would be 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, into the next thing. For the second class, we started off in a handshake hold, and we brought the lady into a sweetheart position, and we kept facing her. So we did 2, 3, 4, and 1. Brought her this position. We're going to do 2 walks here for 2, 3. Then we're going to give the lady a hand slip turn for 4 and 1. Then we took it back the other way for a 2, 3, 4, and 1. We let the lady walk for 2, 2, 3. We took her back the other way, 4 and 1. Yeah, we did that?
No.
Oh, that was a different class. Free-spin here. So, when we brought the lady to sweetheart the second time for this position, we'll go all through it in just a second. We did it for a 2, 3, 4, and 1, and we spun as man as well. And we came out of it, we had the hands up, and we caught the lady on the rock step for a 2, 3, gave her a spin 4 and 1, 2, 3. We could spin again there. The second time we caught her around the waist for 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, took you back to normal hold. What that whole step looks like, if we do that, starting in handshake hold from the beginning of it, will be 2, 3, 4, and 1, 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 2, 3. That's what we did in the cha-cha class.
You have 1, 2, 3, open break, 2, 3, back stop, turn, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, spiral, turn, 2, 3, forward spot, surprise break, 4 and 1, 2, 3, walk, cha, 2, and 3, 4 and 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 1, 2, and 3, back to basic, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Jump.